Hello everyone, it's me Arpita and welcome back to my channel. In case if you are new, then I want to say that my channel is all about spoken English and communication skill. Whatever things I have experienced, whatever things I have learned so far, here on my channel I share. So if you want to know more about me, then do check out the about section which is there on the YouTube itself. Okay, so without any further delay, let's begin the video. So the thing which I will be discussing today about the thing which I get to listen a lot from my learners, that ma'am, I am able to talk to people on social media, I am able to talk to people via phone call or via video call, but when it comes to like in real life, I switch to my mother tongue and I don't go for English. Why is it happening? Why do I feel like that? Well, why do you feel like that? It's your emotions. Though those things you need to figure it out. I'm not a psychologist that I can tell about your emotions. But though I don't have any knowledge about like psychology things, but still whatever I can understand, whatever I have observed, I may say that actually you are thinking that you're lacking something that is not actually. You're different than others. That is the reason you're facing. Look, five fingers are not same. Though five are fingers only, but do they look the same? No. So we human beings have same features, nose, lips, but we are not same in personality, even not in looks. Do we look alike? Then how can we expect that a person who is able to communicate very properly in real life, you will be also be able to do the same? It can be that you are very much comfortable that in chatting, in like voice call, in video call, and it can also happen that person is not comfortable in that. So it's vice versa happening, no? So why this thought comes? Why you're feeling so much underconfident that no, I'm not like that? Actually, we are constantly comparing ourselves with others. That is the reason we think like that. We get demotivated. Look, if I compare with anyone, it's not like that I'm the perfect. Even no one is perfect. It's an illusion. Perfection is an illusion. No one is perfect. So it's obvious that I would get someone better than me. If I constantly compare with me with that person, then I would be in depression. But when it comes, if I see my improvement where I was before and how I have improved, then I would be happy, isn't it? So stop comparing yourself with others, because it's obvious that someone will be better than you and someone will be not better than you. So just see your improvement. Let's say that my name is Arpita, so I would see how I was before. I would remember that the things, I would recall the things. I was very much nervous while talking to people. Even it was not possible for me to talk straight in front of the camera, but now I'm able to do that. Though it's not that much successful thing, though it's not that much rewarding kind of thing, but it's a reward for me. So I'm feeling happy because I'm comparing myself with the before and after. But if I compare with others, then I would be in depression. So you don't do that, please, because see, if I talk about myself, I'm very much kind of extrovert person. I can socialize with people, I can talk to people in real life, but when it comes to chatting, I'm not able to chat much. I can't express myself much in chatting. Like many people I have seen, they use emojis, they express so much, but I'm not able to do that. So I can only write few sentences, then I tell that person to call. So, or meet. So like that. I am different. Maybe you are able to chat properly, voice call properly, but you're not able to talk to that person in real life. So both are different. It's not like that you have to be like that. Even I don't regret that I am not able to chat properly, because it's my nature. I am different, then, and it makes me unique. If you're different, that makes you unique. So if everyone is same like everyone, then where is the diversity? We have diversity in this world. That is the reason this world is beautiful, no? If everyone is same, that everyone is having a long hair, then long hair won't be beautiful anymore. If everyone is having short hair, then short hair won't be cute anymore, isn't it? So don't think like that, guys, that you're not able to talk to that person in real life. You're thinking, yeah, talking in real life, being socializing in real life is very much important in every aspect. But still, if you try to do that, but if you fail, then don't regret, don't that think that you are the, like, don't feel guilty. Okay, don't feel like that you have not committed any crime. You try to do that, you try and try. If you fail, no problem, no worries about that. Or if you face like some people are like that, no, they talk to people in real life and they get sweat, like their hands get sweaty and they get like nervous. Those kind of things, I think some kind of problem, nervous problem. I don't know exactly the term. So those person needs some kind of counseling. Okay, so they need therapy. But if you are not having those sweaty hands, like feeling nervous, then they're absolutely fine. It's just that you are different than others. You, like as I have said before, you are like that. Okay, so in case if you're having like those problems, like getting sweaty hands, then that is a problem. You can contact any like counselor, and you can just talk to that person and can get over that. So in short conclusion, if I would say that, try to speak. And also it's all about belief system, I would say. first, it's all about that you're different. Second, it can be also like you have some kinds of belief system. You think, let's say that if you talk to anyone via phone call or via video call, then there's an option that you can cut the call or you can block that person. There are a lot of options to ignore. Even you can just pretend that you're having poor connection, things like that. But in real life, those things can't happen, isn't it? You feel that you have the fear of facing the problem. You feel, let's say that if you're talking to someone in real life and that person is making sarcastic faces, so you think in that situation, how would you ignore that person? You can't run away, so you have to face that thing. So this fear you have in yourself, that is the reason you get fearful while communicating with anyone. So my dear friends, I would say if someone's making sarcastic faces, that person is not good from heart, not good actually. That person is very mean. So if that person is making sarcastic faces or even criticizing you, I would say don't get angry. Just say okay and just avoid that and get over that and don't talk to that person again. But it's not the end. It doesn't mean the other second person would be the also same like that person. As I have said, 5 fingers are different. So it need not be the second person would be like the same like the first one. Second person can be also genuine. So don't think too much, guys. There are a lot of things to think about yourself. Think about you, do self-care. Don't think much. It's just a language. I have always said you can get good grip over this language if you just remove this kind of belief system and if you just learn this language without thinking much. That's all I want to say. Maybe the video is too long, but I wanted to explain you such things. Okay, I know I made you guys bored, but the thing I again want to say, don't think much. If anyone can speak in English, then why can't you? I know it would take some time to get that fluency, but it's not impossible. Okay, even the impossible word has possible in it. You can see, no, possible word is there. So it's possible, guys. Of course it's possible. Even you can speak in Spanish fluently. Everything is possible. We human beings are so intelligent, we can do anything if we have the determination. So all you need is a positive mind, determination and consistency, and a proper guidance. So that's all for today, guys. I hope now, from now onwards, after watching this video, you will be talking to people instead of getting fearful. So thanks for listening to me. If you're listening to me till the end, then I would say that your listening capabilities are very good. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think your friends are also facing the same thing, then don't forget to share this video to them. And yeah, bye-bye. Take care.